beneath the morning, just like a lizard in the spring. I'm gonna run out in the meadow to catch the silence when it sings. I'm gonna force the Serengeti to disappear into my eyes. Then when I hear your voices calling, I'm gonna turn just inside now. Well, if I ever get to slumber, just like I'm all deep in the ground.
Waxy waffles are good. Michael, this is where we die. We stop and people come on and they kill us. This is where we die.
Together, I grow a diamond in my chest. I make reflections as the moon shine, or turn to a villain as I rest. Well, if I ever get to slumber, just like I'm all deep in the ground, hell, I won't be found.
Hour or two of our journey.
Yep, they haven't come to kill us yet.
Big.
But they might.
And with a quiet whisper, I send a curse upon the day that never used the sun to see the light. I'm gonna float up in the ceiling. I built a levee of the stars, and in my field of tired horses, I built the freeway through this farce. Well, if I ever get that slumber, I'll be that